Hi, I'm Darren Briskman from Imply, and I'm really excited to talk to you about the new capabilities in Apache Druid. These are made possible by Imply's Project Shapeshift. With Milestone 1, we're adding a new multi-stage query engine to Druid. Now, why would you care? Druid's always had a great query engine. It's based on scatter-gather methodology. So queries are distributed across one or more data nodes, and then the results are gathered together. This is what lets Druid do really high performance even with big data sets of terabytes or petabytes or beyond, while also providing really high concurrency at a great value. And of course, combining the live data from streams along with the historical batch data, so together you can get the information that you need in order to do interactive conversations. But there's more that we want to be able to do, so we're adding an additional multi-stage query engine. So this is based on a different technology called Shuffle Mesh, and it adds some new capabilities. Now, as a developer, you don't have to worry about which query engine to use because Druid will automatically look at the query you're running and decide whether it should be using the core query engine or the multi-stage query engine. So what are those new capabilities? We can do ingestion much easier now with just a simple query statement. So all I have to do is get the data into a common format like JSON or comma separated and into a file storage environment like Amazon S3, Azure Blob, Google Storage Cloud, or maybe HDFS. And then I can insert the data and get that data ingested while using the full power of SQL, so I can do joins or other sort of changes. Or I could just read the external table without ingesting it. This can be useful for data exploration or for an infrequent query of, say, older data. I can also use these new capabilities to advance tables and transform them inside Druid. So I can take a table that I've already created or ingested and alter it, modify it, add aggregations, add rollups, copy it to a new table, join tables together, do all sorts of data transformation, giving me exactly the kind of tables that I need for whatever analytics I want to do. Plus, with the multi-stage query engine, we can support these long-running heavyweight queries. So even the biggest queries will never time out now in Druid. Instead, they'll issue updates so that you'll have an idea how long it will take that query to complete. Now, there's a lot more that the multi-stage query engine can do. If you'd like to learn, why don't you take a look at this blog article written by Gian Merlino, our CTO, about the new shape of Apache Druid. Or why don't you try it for yourself? Go ahead and go to imply.io and try Polaris, or Database as a Service. It's free, don't even need a credit card, and it'll give you a chance to get hands-on and try what you can do with Druid. If you have any questions, please send an email to contact@imply.io, and meanwhile, have fun using these new capabilities, making Apache Druid even better. Thanks.